All right, my friends, it's humid out here. All right, my friends, today I'm gonna be installing the seat covers that I got from Edwin's Classic Upholstery. Right now, I wanna show you the seats, which is a little bit brighter in here. However, you can see the imperfections in these seats. They're really showing their age, as they should. This car is 50 some years old now. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace these. And first step is to get these seats out. So basically, so now I got all the seats out. You can see they're kind of tearing, getting a little beat up and dirty. So we're gonna go ahead and put these new seat covers on. Since it is about 10 a.m. and it's already 89 to 90 degrees out, I'm gonna take these inside in the air conditioning, rip these covers off and see what we're working with underneath. All right, so here is the seat with the covers completely off. Ooh, looks like something out of a horror movie, honestly. This is just a terrifying looking seat. You can see they had a couple pieces of, looks like carpet padding. It's just that compressed recycled foam. Got one of those, they got another one here. And I'm gonna go ahead and say this seat has never been redone. I wouldn't think that that'd be stock, but I don't know any better. So I'm gonna pull all this cushion off and I'm gonna respray this frame black because I want it to be black when I go back in the car and install this. So that's what I'm gonna do now. All right, so taking a look at the frame, you can see this piece of metal is slightly bent, and so is this one, but they're not a consistent bend in each one. So you can tell that that's been sort of broken for a while. As you can see, this piece of metal should be welded and attached there, as well as up on the front side. This piece should be welded there, but it broke as well. So I'm gonna take this out in the front yard and spray it clean with the hose, get all this old residue off of here. And then I'll probably tack weld these spots here. Here's another one that broke. So I'm gonna weld these and then I'm gonna spray the whole thing black, and then I'm gonna get some cushion and put the seat cover back on. So this is becoming a lot bigger project than what I anticipated. As always, working on a Volkswagen. But you know, that's just part of owning an old car that's 50 some years old. So I'm gonna keep going on this.
Yeah.
Okay, now don't forget, clean up all your mess before your wife gets home. Happy wife equals happy life. Can you move? No. Move. The joys of working inside with the dogs. Alright, so this one is definitely in the best shape out of all of them, so I don't have to do anything to this one. This was obviously redone at some point. The other one, the bottom, that looks completely stock in my opinion. So in here they put a layer of carpet. It's like a yellow shag carpet, and then they attached with upholstery clips a piece of foam over top of that. So this one's in good shape, so all I gotta do is spray the frame black and then rewrap it. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'm probably gonna go to the store and grab some foam. Okay, so I stopped at Walmart because it's the closest store to me. I wanted to check out their foam selection. And of course this Walmart is just a hot mess, and they don't have more than one of the same thing. So we're looking for high density. So that could probably work for the seat portion on the front seats, but right now I'm looking for the back seats. So they've got these rolls, and they're an inch thick. They're 24 inches by 36 inches. So I think what I'm going to do, since I'm going to do the back seat first, I'm going to get 2 of these, maybe 3, and I'm going to put them as the new cushion on the back seat. So let's grab 3 of these. Alright, so then in addition to the high density foam, I also got this cotton batting, which I'm going to place over the springs of the back seat first, and then I'll apply the cushion and then the cover. Laying this cotton fabric over it, and I'm just punching some holes and zip tying it right around the upper rim of this frame. As you can see, I got a couple here, and I'm gonna do it around the side as well, and that's just gonna keep everything tight. And then I'm gonna take some spray adhesive, spray on this, and I'm gonna lay my foam down that I already pre-cut laying over here, and I'm gonna stick that on top and let that dry, and then I'll be ready to cover it. All right, so here's what that looks like finished up with the zip ties. Now this stuff isn't super tight, but it's pretty good. So I just gave it a little bit of tension, zip tied around here, zip tied in this back curve, and did a couple in the middle just to hold it down. So I'm gonna take this outside now, and I'm put some spray adhesive on here, and then I'm gonna lay my blue high density foam on top, and I'm leaving a little bit of an overhang around the whole edge so that I can wrap that around. And I might just throw a couple pieces of duct tape around it just to kind of hold it in place. And then after that will be the seat cover. All right, so almost done with this. It's really tough. It fits very, very, very snug. Okay. Well, that was not easy. Not easy, guys, not easy. Let's take them outside and check them out. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and take care of the front seats after I do some welding and fixing some stuff up, and then I will film, most likely, putting the seat covers on those too. All right, so here is the installed rear seat. I think it looks really nice. I gotta rewrap the speaker deck here, and I've gotta redo these door cards. But other than that, I think it's a nice clean install. I'll get the front seats done next video, hopefully. I gotta do some welding on those. But you get the drift. Yeah, this is Edwin's Classic Upholstery. These guys are in the Philippines. So if you're interested in getting your seat covers, make your stuff look like new again, hit them up. I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you later.